Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'd get you here Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I am planning for the week beginning March 13th to the 19th, 2023, using this SBC December 2022 mystery kit. I paired it with some rose gold matte bronze foils from SBC rather than the gold foil that I believe it came with, because I thought it was a better fit, and it definitely was. This was a very extender heavy week. It was very busy, and I still ended up managing to colour block, and I think it turned out really good. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of the base to some music, and I'll be back for the day by day. Enjoy! Okay, now that the base is done, let's get into the day by day, starting with the sidebar. So I noted that Malik finally slept in his crib this day. I used this vanilla sleeping on a cloud sticker from Papershire to note that. So first thing on Monday, I noted it was really cold, so I used this gloves icon from the PlanWithAds to note that. I then noted getting ready for work with this make plan sticker. And then I noted having my morning cup of tea with an icon from the foil bundle. I'm going to note work with a PMD sticker girl and a work script from the foil bundle, which is how I marked work the whole week. Into the extender, I noted that it was Malik's day to stay home with his dad, so I used this Make Plans dad and baby sticker to note that. I noted I was still having some cramps with another Hulk sticker that I used one of these last week, which is why I said another, from the Coffee Monsters Co. and a cramped script from Bella Plan Ella. I then noted I had cooking up club for after school club with a once more of love munchkin. And then noted it was home time with a home icon from the foil bundle. And then I had some cuddles with Malik, so I used a Make Plans mum and baby sticker and a with Malik custom script from Planner Hannah. I noted that Malik was having some playtime with this Make Plans boy with the truck sticker. I then did some laundry, so I used this Joy of Planning girl with a pile of laundry and a wash clothes script from the foil bundle to note that. I then had a plan with me binge, so I used a planner icon from the foil bundle to note that. And then I noted that we tried to cry it out with Malik for the first time this night. Didn't work this day. Well, I gave up because I couldn't deal with the crying, so I used this sticker of a kid like trying to get out the crib from Benevious Creation to note that. I don't know if there was a crying one, but this was already in my like reusable sticker book, so I just used that. Into Tuesday, I noted that it was cold again with the same glove sticker from the PlanWithAds. I noted that there was a lot of traffic this morning with a car icon from the foil bundle. And then I noted going to work with the same sticker from PMD Stickers and script from the foil bundle. This morning, my husband dropped Malik off to nursery, so I noted that with the What's More Love sticker. I then noted that he kindly dried the laundry for me. So I used this laundry basket icon from a freebie from a kit or a leftover from a kit, and I don't know what kit it was from. It just matched colour-wise. I then used this laptop icon from the foil bundle because it was Tuesday, which was homework day, so I noted sorting out the homework. I then noted starting our science display with this paper and milk sellotape sticker. I then had a meeting with our speech and language therapist, so I used this paperclip icon from Fox and Pip, I think it is from, to note that because we had to meet because I had returned from maternity leave to just catch me up on who I would be doing interventions with. I then did coding club for after school club, so I used this Honeybee Shop laptop girl to note that, and then I picked up Malik, so I used a sticker from What's More Love to note that, and then we went home, so I used a home icon from the foil bundle. Then I watched some Plan With Me's, who is shocked, not me, so I used a sticker sheet from the foil bundle and a binge watch script also from the foil bundle. We then had some playtime in the living room as a family, so I used this Make Plans Pig Family sticker and a script from Cardi Plans. Then we did our Cry Out Take 2, as I noted it, with a bed from PMD Stickers to note that he successfully slept in his crib. So I used another Sleeping on a Cloud baby from Papershire to note that, because I was very happy that he slept in his crib. So next I noted it was payday, so I used a scribbler from SBC and a script from the foil bundle. I then noted having to pay the bills. It was my first time paying the bills since I had gone back to work and was getting paid again, so I used a sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co. and a script from Happy Sticker Design, so I do PR for, so use my code ADIA215 to get 15% off your order. I then used this tea bag sticker from the PlanWithAds to not having my morning cup of tea, and as I was doing that I was budgeting, so I used another Coffee Monsters Co. sticker and a budget script from Temp Loves Crafts. And then it was cold with the same glove sticker from the PlanWithAds. I then had to de-ice my car, so I used the sticker from Temp Loves Crafts to note that. I marked work the same way I had the rest of the week. And then I noted that I had to take an unexpected trip to somewhere that was related to food, so I used the sticker from Carly Plans to note that. I then had arts and crafts for after school club, so I used this pencil icon from Paper Candy Art. I then get some petrol, so I used this petrol sticker from PMD Stickers to note that. And then I picked up my son, so I used another sticker from What's More Love to note that. We had some cuddle time, so I used a Make Plans Mum and Baby sticker, and I was super duper tired, so I used this bed icon from the foil bundle and a Tidy F script also from the foil bundle. And then finally I noted that Malik slept in his crib, so I used this baby girl sticker from Carly Plans to note that. So on to Thursday, I had this half box extender with a checklist, so I put that down off camera. So today I was really over being at work because it was a strike day, but I still had to go in, so I used the sleep mask icon from the foil bundle to know I was really overworked. I used this balloon icon to note there was no traffic, so I got there quite early. Marked work the same I had the rest of the week, and then I noted doing a lot of jobs at work with a laptop or computer screen icon from the doodle sheet. So I noted that I had speech and language training, allergies training, I had to print out book labels, plan my after school club menu, and then do my science display. And then I used a star icon from the foil bundle to know I left work early because I had finished all the jobs. Okay, so because of that additional extender that I added, because I didn't want to have to use a character sticker for each of those tasks, I added a full box in where I had the extender just so that I didn't have to stretch out the day even more. So next I noted ordering in some wings for takeout for lunch, so I used the sticker from Papershire and a script from Sugarbox Stickers. I then picked Malik up early since I left work early, so I used a sticker from What's More Love to note that. And then Malik spent some time with his dad, so I used this Make Plans sticker and a script from Planner Hannah to note that. As he was with his dad, I changed out his car seat to the big boy car seat, as I call it. So I used this car seat, baby in a car seat sticker from Planner Face to note that. I then noted packing my car I don't know why. I was sorting out my car, so I used the car icon to note I was packing up my car. And then I noted that Malik stepped in his crib again with another sticker from Papershire. Moving on to Friday. Where did we go? Oh, I think I put like his toys in the boot and stuff like that. That's what I meant. So on Friday, I noted waking up early with an alarm clock icon from the foil bundle and a script from Planner Hannah. Then used a Make Plan sticker to note getting ready. Malik was being fussy again, so I used a Sweet Ava's paper sticker to note that. And then I had my morning cup of tea, so I used a tea bag icon from the PlanWithAds. I then had some toast with Malik, so I used this baby high chair sticker from Carly Plan to note that. We had our first drive in our new car seat, so I used another baby in a car seat sticker from Planner Face to note that. He had his 1 year injections, which is why we were driving, so I used this stethoscope icon from the foil bundle to note that. He did really good. He only cried for like a couple of seconds and then he stopped, so I was really impressed. So I used this munchkin with the love hearts to note that. We then visited my mum so I used this grandma sticker from Papershire to note that. And then we went to Westfield, so I used a shopping bag sticker from the doodle sheet to note that. So we had an awesome day at Westfields, and I marked that with a joy of planning girl with the pushchair to note we had an awesome day. The awesome day script is from Tilly Journals, and we were like basically people watching, just walking around the shopping centre. We then had like a mother-son date at Popeye, so I used a sticker from Papershire to note that. I then went back to my mum's house because I had a meeting with my tutor. So I used the laptop icon from the doodle sheet to note that. And then as I was having my meeting, Malik was sleeping on me. So I noted sleep on a mama with a custom script from Make Plans and a Beneva's Creation sticker. Then noted we went to Tesco's to do some shopping. So I used this sticker. I don't remember what this character's called, but it's from Sweet Quiet Design and a script from the foil bundle to note doing some grocery shopping. We then went home and Malik was with his dad. So I used this Make Plans boy character and a with Papa custom script from Tilly Journals to note he was with his dad. While he was with his dad, I was cleaning the kitchen and like cleaning up the fridge before putting the grocery in there. So I used this icon from PMD stickers to note that, and a spray bottle from Carly Plans to note clean the fridge. I then noted unloading all the shopping with this shopping bag icon from, I think it was from Apple Blossom Prints, to be honest, from like a doodle sheet. I then used this camera icon from the foil bundle to note from In a Plan With Me. The script is from Quincy's Creations, who's no longer open. I then used this Mr. and Mrs. Mittencode's microphone to note doing a voiceover, and the voiceover script is from Carly Plans. And then finally I noted that Malik had his first cow's milk, so I used the sticker from Glam Planner to note that. Moving on to Saturday. First thing I marked on Saturday was that Malik was up early, so I used this sticker from PlanWithAds to note that, and a script from Planner Hannah. I then noted Malik giving me cuddles and kisses, so I used this Make Plans mum and baby sticker to note that. I then gave him some more cow's milk, so I used this Planner Papershire sticker to note that. And then I used a Papershire planner to note a Plan With Me binge. As I was watching the Plan With Me, Malik was playing, so I used another Papershire vanilla to note that. It's really windy, goodness me. I then noted that Malik fell asleep on his dad, or probably with his dad if I'm honest. So I used this Make Plans dad and son sticker to note that. I did have some morning tea and some toast, so I used this Papershire vanilla on toast sticker to note that. And then I filmed another Plan With Me, so I used a camera icon from the foil bundle and script from Quincy's Creation. Then did some planning, but maybe some memory planning. So I used a planner sticker from Papershire and a script from the foil bundle. And then I uploaded a video, so I used a YouTube play button from the foil bundle and an upload script from Adobe Designs. And we had some family cuddles, so I used this Make Plans Pig Family sticker to note that, and a family cuddles custom script from the Planner PixieCo. We then watched Abbott Elementary, so I used a TV icon from the foil bundle to note watching Abbott Elementary. And then this is the day I started watching All American and fell in love. So I used this GP Studio Gal to note that. And then I noted making dinner. Yes, making dinner, I think, with the pot icon from what is this shop called? I don't remember what that shop is called. Paper Candy Art, and a dinner script from Crest Press. Moving on to Sunday, it was Mother's Day, so I used this flower icon from the What's My Love Mother's Day sheet to note that, and a script from Planner Hannah. Then use an alarm clock and a script from Planner Hannah. The alarm clock was from the foil bundle to note waking up early and having some cuddles with my son. So I used this make plan sticker and a script from the foil bundle to note that. Then I had my morning tea, so I used a tea bag from the PlanWithAds to note that. And then I did laundry, so I used a washing machine from Paper Candy Art and a script from the foil bundle. Then I watched some more All American, so I used a TV icon from the foil bundle to note that. I then washed my hair, so I used the Sugary Girl Shop Wash Your Hair Girl to note that. I was then in my feelings, so I used a Crying Bubba Bear Studio sticker to note that, and a script from the foil bundle. And then finally, Maddie was being super sweet to me, especially if he knew it was Mother's Day, so I used this So Cute sticker from What's With Love to note, Mummy Sweet Boy. So that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and comment down below what you thought of the spread, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!